Hi guys, if you're looking to find out how you can blur the background of your Google Meet video call, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur the background of the video call in Google Meet. I'm currently in Android phone, so let's go to Google Meet first. Now make sure that you are signed into your Google account. Now enter the code of the meeting right here. Enter meet code. Okay, paste. Now join. Click on join, so you can ask to join, permission for notifications, continue, allow, and ask to join. Now in order to blur the background, you need to turn the video to on, give access while using the app. Now to access the blurring background option, click on this effect. Now there are multiple effect, blur and uploads. Click on it. You see the background has been blurred. Now remove all. Now that is how you blur the background in Android, guys. If you found this video helpful, do make sure you leave a big thumbs up in this video. And if you still have any questions or problems when you're trying to blur the background in Android of Google Meet, do leave them in the comments section. We're always here to help. Until next time, bye-bye.